The Philippines Department of National Defense, DND, has signed a contract to acquire 32 additional S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters. The value of the deal stands at around $624 million. The helicopters will be purchased from Poland's PZL Milec. Max Defense Philippines previously received confirmation that Sikorsky's Polish subsidiary, PZL Milec, has completed the first 3 of the 32 S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters that the DND ordered earlier in 2022 and will soon arrive in the Philippines. How is the progress now, whether 3 of the 2 additional units of the Black Hawk S-70I have been completed, or if, as with other deliveries, there are delays or other factors? The progress of the delivery of the first 5 helicopters in 2023 is still not confirmed, nor is it known whether the units can be delivered this year or if there will be more delays. PZL Milec previously committed to delivering the first 5 helicopter units in 2023, while the rest will be delivered in 3 batches: 10 units in 2024, 10 units in 2025, and 7 units in 2026. Information we received earlier: the current problem is getting these helicopters flown to the Philippines, as specialized large commercial cargo aircraft are very scarce at the moment due to the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Ukraine's Antonov Airlines previously used to deliver the first 16 S-70I Black Hawk helicopters from Poland to the Philippines using AN-124 Ruslan, but they are now busy servicing Ukraine's arms and ammunition imports and providing support to the embattled country. Another airline with similar capabilities, Russia's Volga-Dnepr, may not be able to provide services as Russian airlines are banned in EU airspace. Poland is part of the EU. If the shipping problem is on the cargo plane, is there any other solution to get the S-70I Black Hawk helicopter to the Philippines? Could the aircraft be shipped by water via freighter?